Welcome to the Sticky Art channel. In this video, I'm going to show how to make a Beverly Marsh paper puppet from the new 2017 Stephen King's It movie. I'm going to show how to do this step by step using a template download that can be found in the video description below. Go ahead and print that out. And once you have printed that out, you can either watch through or skip to step 3 and cut out the puppet. I recommend using thicker paper than traditional printer paper if possible, although printer paper does work, it just can rip easier. So this is my favorite part of making the puppet, coloring them in, laying some color down with some watercolors. Her hair was really cool to paint, just kind of lots of color in there, from reds, orange, yellows, browns. Her dress was also really cool, had a lot of small details with the red and green dots, looked kind of like mistletoe. I'm using an Illustrator pen, come back after watercoloring, and sometimes a little bit more watercoloring on top. Get in shadows using browns and blues. Once you're done coloring, go ahead and cut her out. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite paper puppet that I made so far, or if there's one that I haven't made that you'd like to see me make, let me know that as well. Once you have Beverly cut out, ready to assemble the puppet. I poked holes in the arms and legs, and then used, I call them arts and craft pipe cleaner and some scotch tape. And that's how you make Beverly Marsh paper puppet. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button, share, and if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications when I release new videos. I really appreciate all the feedback and likes and comments. It helps me create new content for the channel, so let me know what you think in the comments below. I've also opened up a discussion on my channel homepage, so check that out. And until next time, peace.